From an innovative vertical gardening system enabling the construction of custom plant towers using interchangeable modules, to smart appliances controllable remotely via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth through intelligent software. The most electrifying breakthroughs of 2024 are bound to leave you thoroughly amazed. Totem Planter. The Totem Planter represents an innovative vertical gardening system that empowers users to construct their personalized plant towers using a diverse range of interchangeable modules. Various modules are on offer to cater to different needs, including vertical, horizontal, microgreen, and more. This system eliminates the necessity for soil by employing hydroponic and aeroponic technologies to directly hydrate plants. As a result, less effort is required from users, leading to reduced waste and mess. The Smart Grow Bar, which accompanies the Totem Planter, utilizes horticultural LEDs manufactured by Samsung to provide plants with the necessary light for optimal growth. Through the Totem app, users can conveniently control their plants' lighting and watering schedules and access helpful tips for enhancing plant growth. Moreover, the ambient mode feature allows users to showcase their plants at night with a gentle and pleasing glow. Prepare yourself for an unforgettable and electrifying journey filled with state-of-the-art gadgets and awe-inspiring innovations. Buckle up as the most electrifying breakthroughs of 2024 are poised to leave you stunned and amazed. Ecoflow Glacier. The Ecoflow Glacier offers versatile functionality beyond a typical appliance. With two temperature zones ranging from 10 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, it accommodates various needs. It can produce 18 ice cubes in 12 minutes and charge devices with its 100-watt USB-C port. With a 13.8-liter capacity, it holds up to 60 cans and is easily movable with a detachable lever and wheels. Remote control via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth adds convenience, while its 298 watt-hour plug-in battery provides up to 40 hours of wireless operation. It can be recharged using solar energy in 2.1 hours, promoting eco-friendliness. Priced at $999, it's acclaimed as the ultimate portable gadget by Popular Mechanics. Aolis Robotics. Aolis Robotics specializes in the creation and sales of robots designed for various business applications and tasks. Their flagship product, AO, is a versatile humanoid robot equipped with a wide array of capabilities, including but not limited to door opening, elevator control, medication delivery, and more. AO's mission is centered around enhancing the lives of individuals globally, particularly those who are elderly or have health issues, by simplifying and increasing their productivity. Additionally, AO features a user-friendly mobile app for remote control and access from any location. Aolis Robotics offers flexible payment options, round-the-clock customer support, and regular software updates to their clients. Beyond being just a robot, AO is portrayed as a reliable and capable companion. Although not officially confirmed, there have been rumors suggesting that each unit of AO may cost anywhere from $50,000 to $70,000. Alarm Stop Sleep. Alarm Stop Sleep utilizes gradual light brightness and color temperature adjustments to mimic daybreak, aiding in circadian rhythm synchronization and wakefulness. Scientific research supports its effectiveness in enhancing morning alertness, mood, and deep sleep duration. Instead of a traditional alarm, its vibrating bracelet gently wakes you during the light's peak, ensuring a calm awakening. This device also monitors sleep quality and duration, syncing with the Alarm Stop Sleep app for personalized sleep hygiene suggestions. Perfect for individuals struggling with traditional alarms, snoozing, or grogginess upon waking up, Alarm Stop Sleep promotes better sleep quality and energized mornings. Available for a limited time at $199.99. Ready to be electrified, as not one but two of the most electrifying breakthroughs of 2024 are on the horizon, poised to leave you utterly speechless with awe. Anker Solix F3800. Introducing the Anker Solix F3800. The ultimate portable power station designed to handle any situation, from backup power for your home, RV, or electric vehicle to storing solar energy. With up to 6,000 watts of AC output and a capacity of 3,800 watt-hours, it can run household appliances, charge EVs, and more. Expandable with the Anker Solix home power panel, it offers up to 12,000 watt-hours and 53.8 kilowatt-hours for extended outages. Easy to use with plug-and-play design and a smart app for monitoring energy usage, it's built to last with InfiniPower technology and a 5-year warranty. Secure yours for $3,999 on Anker's website. Apex Maker X1. The Apex Maker X1 is an industrial-grade 3D printer with a high-resolution LCD screen for accurate resin layer curing. Its generous construction volume allows for large or multiple prints simultaneously at a rapid pace of up to 180 millimeters per hour. Despite its power, it is user-friendly with features like a high-definition camera and touchscreen interface. Available for pre-order on Kickstarter at $3,999, it's perfect for professionals and beginners alike, looking to enhance their 3D printing capabilities.